Welcome to EasySolutions. In one of our previous videos, we learned that using a Micron gauge gives a more accurate vacuum reading compared to a manifold gauge. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description and first comment. To perform the vacuum, we'll need a vacuum pump, Micron gauge with connector, core removal tool, and vacuum hose. If you don't have a vacuum hose, a manifold gauge hose can also be used. Before vacuuming, make sure to recover all the refrigerant and confirm there are no leaks by performing a nitrogen pressure test. Now, the unit is at normal atmospheric pressure and ready for vacuuming. First, remove the valve core from the service port using the core removal tool. The valve core works like a car tire pin. It allows air in but prevents it from coming out. Removing it makes vacuuming faster and easier. If you don't have a core removal tool, you can still vacuum using a manifold gauge, but the process will be slower. Connect the Micron gauge to the side port of the core removal tool. Never connect the Micron gauge directly to the vacuum pump. It will give an incorrect reading. Next, connect the vacuum hose from the unit to the pump. Start the vacuum pump and open the valve on the core removal tool. You'll see the Micron gauge. Reading drop from around 800,000 microns. Pull the vacuum down to 500 to 250 microns. For a deep vacuum, go below 250 microns. Once the target vacuum is reached, close the valve on the core removal tool first. Then turn off the pump. Observe the Micron gauge for 10 to 15 minutes. If it rises quickly, there's a leak. If it rises slowly and stabilizes, the system is equalizing. If it stays between 500 to 1,000 microns, there may be moisture, so vacuum again. Below 500 microns, your system is tight and dry. For a deep vacuum, go below 250 microns. Now, remove the vacuum hose and pump and reinstall the valve core. Keep the extractor rod inside the tool. Place the core inside the service port. Rotate to screw it in, then pull the rod out slightly, close the valve, and remove the rod. Check for leaks. If none, the system is ready. After ensuring no leaks, remove the Micron gauge and core removal tool. Finally, you can proceed to charge the refrigerant into the unit.